In this video, we'll walk through the property details page for a commercial property. After you've searched for a property or researched a geography and selected a property, you'll navigate to the property details page. This page spotlights key facts about a property. Begin by getting a clear view of the property using street or overhead views. Also, if available, view a virtual tour and historical photos of the property. To the right, an interactive map is shown, allowing you to access all the map features including traffic counts, business points of interest, and data layers like flood zones. The property summary includes basic facts as well as pricing information if the property is for sale or for lease. If the property is for sale, listing agent information, including contact information, will be displayed to the right of the property summary. If this property was for lease, you'd see the additional suite options below the property summary section. In some instances, RPR may have more than one version of a listing, or the listing could be for sale and for lease, or there could be multiple suites available in one building. In the multiple listings section, you'll see each record we have from our listing partners. Scroll down to the additional resources area where we can run an investment analysis with Valuate or take a look at the property on one of our listing partner sites. The property facts section includes both public and listing facts for the property. You can augment these facts by entering your changes here. For instance, if the lot size is different from what is reflected in RPR, or if there's information missing that you have, such as the ceiling height or cap rate, you can select Add Another Row to add custom rows of information. These changes are only available to you and the reports you create. Select Save to save your changes. Where available, detailed tenant data is displayed to help you understand whether a particular building is a good fit for a client, as well as to understand the tenant mix from an investment standpoint. You can also edit the details of a tenant by clicking the pencil icon to add information such as main contact name, phone number, or business type. Once completed, you can even print out a list of tenants by clicking here. Look for the My Update section when you want to add additional notes or photos of the property. The photos you add can be used as your cover photo on property reports. Continuing down the screen, you can see other details about this space, including price change history, interior, and exterior features. To the right, view historical records for this property. Compare this record against historical records for this property here. Scroll through to notice each of the differences. Also view listing details, location details including flood zones, owner facts, legal description including zoning and even plat maps where available. Continue scrolling to view tax information and deed records. On the right, find economic and demographic information about the trade area where the property is located, as well as a link to a more detailed page about the trade area. Watch a trade area details video to learn more, including how to create a custom 1, 3, or 5 mile radius trade area. And that wraps up our review of the property details page for a commercial property. Be sure to subscribe to the RPR YouTube channel. It's an easy way to learn more about RPR features and tools and stay current on updates and improvements.